So the next website we're going to be exploring is Epic. So it's getepic.com, and we have different ways to sign up. So we have parents can sign up, educators, so teachers, and it is free for teachers to create their own classes. And then this is our Get Started link. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in just to show you what Epic has to offer. So again, your teacher can create your class, and you would have your own account, and it would be free for you. The only thing is that you would only be able to use it at school. And if you would want to use it at home, you'd have to pay some kind of monthly fee. So I already have students in my roster, so I'm just going to go ahead and go to my dashboard. We're going to go to Explore actually. And this shows what you would see as a student. So as a student, you have access to all of these books online. So a lot of books that seem very interesting. And if you look up here, there's different ways for you to search the collections within Epic. So up here they have a little banner that is just continually going, and you can go through here to see some of the books that they have to offer. Or I can simply look at these titles. So we have featured collections. I can also search through this drop down menu, and I can look for books that are popular. I can look for books that are going to be read to me. I can look at videos. I can listen to audiobooks, and I can also make collections. So we're going to see what a read to me book looks like. So here's all of these books that will be or can be read to you. So how do you know if it's a read to me book? So if you just simply look at the title at the book on the bottom right, it has a little green title that says read to me, and it has that little volume control there. So we're going to click on seals just so you can get an idea of what our book looks like. So if I see here, all I have to do is put my mouse down here, and then this bar pops up, and it has my play button, my volume control. I can go and look into the book by moving or scrolling along through here. It gives me the age range, how long the book is, and how many AR points it is. So this, after reading this book, this is something that you could test on. I also have the option to highlight within my story, and I can make my text bigger just by scrolling down on there, or make it a full screen. And so we also have over here a favorites button. So if this is a book that I really like and I would want to come back to it later, I can put it in my favorites. You see down here we have added to favorites, and when I go into my account, I can see this book there. I'm going to X out there, and we're going to see other books. So let's look at audiobooks. And audiobooks are basically the same thing as the read to me books. The only thing is that we don't have the book to follow along with. So all it's going to do is show me the cover, and I just hear it. So no words to follow along with, just listening to the book. So we have lots to choose from, and once again, you can always search by your author, by the title or keyword. And when you click on here, it also gives you the option to search through books by interest. So I have adventure, arts and crafts. So this is a really good area to look at in the arts and crafts. It offers a lot of books that you can get a lot of activities from for holidays and things like that. Maybe over the winter break you want to do some Christmas ornaments. There's things that you could do. So we have Halloween this month. Here is a book that we can look at. to show me some crafts that I could do. And there's just lots of really neat things on Epic, and it also offers quizzes that you can take. And like I said, a lot of these books have AR. So our school will be doing AR pretty soon. You should be doing it in class, but I would like to do it, promote it a little bit more. So this is a way for you to be able to earn those AR points, right? We can come in here, we can listen to a book, we can follow along, have a book read to us, or we can read a book on our own, and then we can take that quiz and get those points. So lots of books to choose from in Epic.